Hi, this is Anthony from West Coast Custom Concrete, Bobcat Service, and Concrete Pumping. On this video, we'll be showing you how to pour on top of an existing slab, which generally isn't a good idea because if there's cracks in the old slab, it'll telegraph to the new slab. But we're going to put a bunch of rebar in this and pour it in a high PSI concrete. And we got 3 to 5 inches on it, so we got plenty of height. Okay, here we are laying the rebar out. We're laying it out at 24 inches on center. Should go pretty quick. A couple hours, we should have it all laid out and tied. Here's a rebar cutter. Anyone in concrete or dealing with rebar should acquire one of these. It makes it so easy cutting it and bend it any way you want it. What we did here was we put a metal flashing around the perimeter inside the building where we're going to pour, so we could snap a clean chalk line so my guys can screed off of it and we could get the right elevations. Right here, what we did was to get the elevations right, we cut a piece of plywood and screwed a stake into it and set the pins on it to set a 2x4 on it to get the elevation to the chalk line so we could rod it correctly. Here I am, that's me pumping the concrete. I used a 3250 City Mix to pour inside here. I wanted a high PSI. It equates to like 3,500 PSI. And I put 1% Polar Set, which is an accelerant, because inside the building I wanted it to take off. And if you know the timing of the concrete, you can keep up with it. And the crew I have is really good, so I wasn't worried about it. And it all came out really nice. And they're going to put a polished finish on top of it. They're going to polish it, so we hard troweled it, burned it in. Concrete out of any trade has the largest set of variables. If you don't understand the timing, it'll ruin the whole job. So make sure you have the right finishers that understand the timing and can keep up with it. I sprayed a diesel-based curing agent on this concrete slab because the concrete was so sticky that they couldn't slide it correctly, and the curing agent's diesel-based, so it worked really good.